Hey everyone, if your photos look blurry, pixelated, low resolution, or lose quality after editing in Photoroom, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Photoroom image quality problems in 2026. First, start with the highest quality image possible. If your original photo is low resolution, blurry, or compressed, even the best editing tools will have limited ability to improve it. Another common issue is excessive image enlargement. If you dramatically increase the size of a small image, it may become pixelated. Whenever possible, use high-resolution source files. You should also review any AI enhancement or editing effects you've applied. Overusing sharpening, filters, or background generation tools can sometimes create unnatural artifacts and reduce image quality. If the image looks blurry after background removal, zoom in and inspect the edges carefully. You may need to refine the cutout or make manual adjustments for cleaner results. And that's how to fix Photoroom image quality problems in 2026. In most cases, using high-resolution source images, choosing the best export settings, and avoiding excessive editing will significantly improve your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.